Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can successfully green screen inside of Premiere Pro. So to start with, you just want to drag your clips in. You want to have a background. I've just chosen this for this example. And you also want to have the clip which you want to green screen. So I've just got this clip for this example. So to start with, you just want to go to your effects tab here. And if you don't see this, you want to go to the top and look for this window bit here. And just look down until you see effects. Now you want to make sure there's a tick mark next to it. And if there is, that will mean your effects tab is now activated. But if it isn't, you want to go ahead and click it just to make sure it is activated. And then you can continue with this. So you want to go to the search bar and just search for Ultra Key. Now once you found this, you want to drag this, but drag it onto the clip that you are green screening. Make sure not to select the background. Make sure to select only the green screen one. Now once we've done that, it opens up this effects controls. Again, if you can't see effects controls, you want to go to Window. You want to go to Window and come down to here to Effect Controls and make sure this is also active. So once that's done, you can see this bit that says Key Color here. And next to it will show you the color that it's set to at the moment. But here we can select this little color dropper thing and click on that. And now whatever color we hover over will basically match it. As you can see, that's popped up green on the left there. So once you've chosen your correct color and you've got hovered over this green screen here, you just click left click. And as you can see, just like magic, it removes all that green. Now yours may be a bit different, it may not have worked as good as this, so what you can do is you can open up these, and you can basically just play around with it to get it exactly how you want. In my case it worked out perfect, so I don't really need to change anything, but in your case it may be different, but you may need to change these settings a bit to get it perfect. So I hope you found this video helpful and you managed to successfully green screen inside of Premiere Pro. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you, and like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.